To send money remotely to Pakistan, start by opening your browser and navigating to the website. On the home page, locate the option to select the recipient's country and choose Pakistan from the list. Click on the Send Money button to initiate the transfer process. Then enter the amount you wish to send. Review the transfer fee and the total amount that will be deducted from your account. And after confirming, click Continue to proceed with the transaction. Next, select the delivery method for your money transfer, such as bank deposit, cash pickup, or mobile money, choosing the method that best suits your recipient's needs. Select the recipient's bank from the list of available options to ensure the money is sent to the correct financial institution in Pakistan. Enter the recipient's IBAN or account number accurately, as this information is crucial to ensure the funds are deposited into the correct account. Once all details are entered correctly, click Continue to finalize the transfer. Review the transaction summary one last time to ensure accuracy. Then confirm the transfer.